Hello everyone, welcome to Bambatha Kamancinza TV. I'm here to update you ngokuzokwenzeka kuSibongile and Dlamini kusukela ngoMsombuluko ngomhla ka-20 January 2025 kuya ngoLwesithathu mhla ka-22 January 2025. NgoMsombuluko ngomhla ka-20 January 2025, uSibongile has gone missing and Vuma's first suspect is Kwenzo. Jengai is proud of himself for the beauty of his blended family, while Phetheni excitedly planned the upcoming Valentine event. NgoLwesibili mhla 21 January 2025, consumed by rage, Vuma make a fiery vow to take relentless action against the Induna, setting the stage for a fierce confrontation. Overwhelmed with frustration, Phetheni's pour her heart out to Sis Mavis, expressing her deep resentment for being forced into the role of caretaker. NgoLwesithathu mhla 22 January 2025, Vuma make it clear to the Induna that he is not interested in his cows. All he is want is his doctor's friend. Ntombela is enchanted by a visitor from eThekwini. Ngiyabamba lapho, ungakhohlwa ukucindezela i-notification bell noma usubscribe okanye ushiye umbono wakho. Bye.